it's a water tray. Simple that. I've put it on the bottom of the drawer because I've got double drawers here, which was not needed. Let me give you a design. Like this gets really hot and these get really hot. So it's, actually I might change that. Never thought about that. That really gets hot. So that, I wouldn't recommend that. Look, I haven't ordered a kitchen or designed one in 20 years, so a one drawer less. And then this is where, I do cook a lot, but I also eat out a lot. Back to the water tray. Love the water tray. So these are my Ikea pots. They can burn. I've easily burnt one in Romania. So be mindful of that. Here's another one. Bringing it here, just showing you how things function. Look, I can put that there. I've got so much drawers, I don't know why I'm making everything look very cluttered. This is just, I'm a lazy system person when it comes to kitchens. Okay, put that there. So this is a water tray. I love the idea, I love the concept. So when my plates need drying, it's my fish cup. I put that over here. Look at that. I put, because I'm living in this property, but I'm going to rent it out, and therefore I want to make sure, look, I'm just showing you how things work here. I want to make, again, look, you can see I'm a little bit systematic, but, so we'll go like that. Put these here. Bamboo, very robust. Love this. No banging of drawers, look at that. So water tray. Oh, this is a nice, it's not quite dry. I'm going to bring this out because I'm going to show you, it's really important. So these water trays you can in and out. But you see it collects water and you've got to be just, that's my Ikea kitchen. So you've got to be mindful of that. I always, all my drawers, now that feels a bit wet because I've been lazy. So make sure you empty them out and make sure you clean them as well, you know, in the sense of hygiene. I think water has got here a bit just because I just throw the dishes in quite often and I love it. Plastic, watch, especially when you're renting it. Look at that. It'll preserve the kitchen, again, all from Ikea. So let's, again, as I said, wash the tray. Only have to do that. Feel it for, no, that feel, you know, you can get, this is a Ikea cold, everything's Ikea here. You don't want it to feel horrible. I love it. Water trays. They're on sale at the moment, I think less than €15. I love it. It's really brilliant idea. You say, yeah, but you lose a drawer. I don't lose a drawer at all. Just, you're going to have to store your plates anyway. So this is my kitchen. I finally, if you have a look at the old videos, finally did that. Bamboo, Ikea kitchen, the bamboo life. The Ikea sofa, which I'm going to talk about, not happy about it. It's, you know, for rental, don't buy it for rental. It's not robust. And I'm going to be talking to Ikea about it because after half a year, the side bits, can't lean to your head. Head can start seeing it breaking. So let's see. Ikea drawers. I know, there's nothing Asian about my property because it's modern. Oh, that's not true. Beautiful. Okay, so you would. I went for Ikea for a rental reason because for durability, things break down, easy to replace, easy to fix, easy to get parts that break and get missing. Now, back to the water trays. I love the water trays. Again, make sure you keep your plastic underneath for the durability of your drawers, and I just love it. So like now, I didn't buy a dishwasher here in Ikea. Here, look, this is an Ikea sink. I love it. It's very, very expensive. It was one of my Ikea hacks that I had to do, because it's not a sink that's made to look like this. Gorgeous. And what I do, look at that. Just throw it in, drip it in there, and the water tray will collect. Same. Look at that. Fantastic. Love it. Done. Use my foot, and there it is. It closes. I'm pretty rough with kitchens, so after 6 months I'm very, very happy with it. It wasn't the original plan. Have a look at that bowed up green kitchen. I got 4,500 views, and stay away from it. But this, no coconut oil, no olive oil marks, easy cleaned. Even the white cupboards, again, the green did look good, but I'm much happier with this. Very, very big kitchen for I call this apartment, but they call it a townhouse, 2-bedroom. Look at that. Going to be renting this out, Koh Samui, when I leave back to Italy. So chose for Ikea for durability. Now that'll be still under warranty. Let's see what we can do with that sofa. I'll keep you updated on that. This is my kitchen. Again, I'm just talking about the water tray of the kitchen, the bamboo drawers. Look at all the drawers. Love it, love it, love it. I am a drawer person. I don't like bending over. This is the Lazy Susan, which is a fantastic idea. My top tip in the tropics, I don't have a lot of food kept, because it goes off or it gets bugs in it, even though everything's container dry. Oh my goodness, look at this. Container dry. Look at that. But the plastic, so the great thing, I'll just show you. Honestly, buy the plastic covers. You won't regret it. Look at this. So I'll pull this up. I'll do it nicely, roll it like that. Look at that. Okay, it's a little bit, but throw that in there. Fantastic. And then I'll just wipe it. My Lazy Susan. Yeah, doors without handles. I don't think I'd do that either again. I like the handles, I think. But it's okay, it's all an experiment, isn't it? Look at that, look how easy. Didn't even take 30 seconds. Make sure. I know, I've even got Ikea tea towels. I'm not, it's because I rent. I don't really get into the Asian culture. And look at this, isn't this fantastic? It's there. I do get into the Asian culture, but this is really a business investment, which, it's working well. Getting a good yield. If you don't get anything over 10% yield, I don't do it. So there it is. Gold tap, I see them everywhere in European kitchens. I love the gold tap. It was actually it was the cheapest thing that I bought. And obviously the Asians, hey, that's an Ikea. But I wouldn't go for this either again. But that's okay, as I said, this is rental. Don't want to overcapitalise. It ticks the boxes, it looks good. I'm very good like that, you can overspend in rentals and then regret it when you rent it out. China, that's my Asian touch. This is from Vietnam. And my other top tip, because I rent a lot, anything that you love, pack it away, put it away. People that are renting your property are not going to give a flying toss about what you treasure. This is beautiful. A KC, I had it made. I will get a glass top because I'm very, I don't put anything on here. It hasn't stained in 7 months, but I know when I rent it out. So again, back to the Ikea water tray. Pots and dish dryers, fantastic idea, I love it. Another way to store things, wash it, especially I don't have a dishwasher. That's because the water pressure generally on the island isn't the best. So I thought it was a good call. Extractor fan, bought that second hand. Where I can save money, I do again, because it's just rental properties. There is, I mean, I love it. I got an amazing view, but it's not what I would call home. But then I'm a digital nomad. Nothing's home to me, generally. So there it is. Beautiful bamboo. Had it for 7 months. It still looks fantastic. And I'm rough with kitchen, so if it can endure me, I'm very happy with that. What I do, what's going on here? Oh, that's a bit of paint, I think. What I have to do, yeah, that's not working. I've got to adjust them. And again, yeah, I'm not a fan of microwaves, but if you're renting, you need it. And what I have done is 2 fridges. Gets hot here, even though it's beautiful weather at the moment. And this is my drink-only fridge. Look at this, fresh coconut. Look at that. Ow! So I get rid of that water and take all that up, and I'm going to make some beautiful curry. There it is. Highly recommend this kitchen. The bamboo doors are fantastic, and it really goes well with an Asian climate or tropical. Thank you very much.